Hi dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today my topic is Panasonic washer and dryer, washer 12 and dry 8 kg. This machine having problem while we are selecting separate dry option. Within few minutes it will show E37. Now we have to check what is the problem exactly. We have to troubleshoot the problem. Now we will go to the checking step, and also I will show you again what happening in this machine while selecting any separate dry option, not washer and dry, any separate dry option. It's showing E37 error message. Now I have to check what is the problem exactly. The most probably our field technicians, they know well. This is related with dry option. That's mean sometime it's two thermistors are here, also one thermostat, because we have to check everything, the heater, everything, duct, blower, everything we have to check. Now we will go to the next step. Now I will show you again what is the problem in this machine. Now we have to power off the machine. We have to power. Again I will give the power connection. Now I will start the machine. I am selecting only the dry option. Also I can cancel. I will cancel sprint cycle. Now it is showing 5 hours and 5 minutes. Now I am going to start the machine. Now we will wait for a while. After that it will show E37 error message. Now machine already start. Now you can see only 2 minutes only machine start. After that it's already showing E37 error message. Now we have to remove the top cover, and we will check the thermistor and thermostat, heater, everything. After that we can understand, identify what is the exactly problem. We will go to the next step, and we can remove top cover. Now I already removed the top cover. Here you can see this is connection for the blower motor. We have to check the blower first. After that here one thermistor. Also here also thermistor. Here also one thermistor. Here thermostat. Here one thermostat. Here also one thermostat. Now we have to check everything, and we will remove one by one, and we will check. And first we will check this thermostat. Yeah, it is okay, showing continuity, no issue with that thermostat. Also we will check other thermostat. Also okay, showing, yeah, no issue. And now we can check this thermistor. It should be actually 4 ohms, 4 kilo ohms it should be. Yeah, it is almost showing 3.89, almost 4 kilo ohms it's showing. That means that thermistor is okay. Now other way. Okay, now it's fixed already. Now we have to check blower. Yes, all three windings are showing. No problem with the blower also. Now we will check this thermistor and we can remove also this one. We will remove and check. So continuity showing, but anyway we will remove. We will check with another thermistor, and I having already thermistors, and also this one also I can use. This is actually new one, and now I'm going to replace this thermistor. This is new thermistor. This NTC thermistor actually should be some here. It is showing 4.8 kilo ohms. Now we will. I'm going to replace this. And I will give the connection for the motor. Also this connection. If it is not working, we have to change other thermistor also. Anyway, we will go step by step. Now we will remove this, we will replace this, and we will check it is whether working or not. Now I'm going to start again machine. Now again I'm selecting only dry. Also I'm cancelling spin cycle. Now it's showing 5 minute, 5 hour and 5 minutes. Now I will start the machine. You can see here blower motor, nothing wrong, no any problem. It is working perfectly. If it is getting hot, the thermistor problem, this thermistor already gone. Yes, then pump also start. Now we can check the power. Not start to get heat. Heater still not work. But here it's already 1 minute came down. Now it is only 4 minutes. Already came 1 minute decrease the time. But it's still not showing error message. So the drum also rotating. Yeah, now heater already start. It's warming. We will stay another 5 minutes. Now this 3 minutes we can stay, and we will identify, we can observe. Yes, dear friends, now it is showing 4 hour and 59 minutes. That's mean our job already completed. We found the problem. It is E37 mean thermistor. It is having two thermistors, I told you as before. This one with the dry duct here, and also here one thermistor. Now I replace only one thermistor. If it is unfortunately it's not resolving the problem, you have to replace the other thermistor also. In this situation, in this case, now I replace only the one thermistor. Now after that our problem already got solved. If you are occurring the same issue, you have to check properly. You have to check properly to thermistors and thermostat, heater, everything. Now our problem already got solved. Now we can hand over to the customer our washing machine. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video very shortly. Thanks for watching my channel again.